Hey there, I'm Matthias from the Observability Logs Squad, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the new logs panel that we are shipping with Grafana 12.3. So to start, this is a fully virtualized list of logs, so all the previous performance issues that we had have been solved. And from there, you will find some familiar things along with some new features and changes. To begin with, one of the biggest changes now is that log level is always visible and shown with colors and as a string in your log lines. The second thing is the logline menu, which can be now accessed by clicking this triple dot button at the beginning of every logline. And finally, now log lines feature syntax highlighting, which aims to make log lines easier to read and faster to get context. So we will highlight things like numbers, durations, HTTP verbs, and also key value pairs. It can be disabled by clicking this button on the log controls, by the way. And speaking about controls, let's go over all of them. So at the beginning, you will find a button to expand and collapse the controls. Then buttons to scroll to the bottom of the list of logs, a control to change the sorting direction, newest or oldest first, and also one new thing, which is search for strings between your log lines. After that, you can access duplication and filtering of your results by log level. After that, you have a control to set the timestamp resolution to either milliseconds or nanoseconds if they're available, or disable it if you don't need it. Then control line wrapping, which can also format your JSON log lines if you're looking at JSON logs. Enable and disable highlighting, and an alternative font size, a smaller font size similar to the one in the previous panel. After that, a button to download your logs and scroll back to the top of the list. In addition, we have completely redesigned log details, and it's now available in two versions, inline and sidebar. So you can use the one that better fits your viewport and your use case. You can change the type of log details by clicking this button. And when you're using the sidebar version, you can keep multiple details open as tabs. And here at the top, you will find a button to connect with the Grafana Assistant if it's available in your instance, to scroll to the log line if you're using the sidebar version, copy log line, access show context, and change the type of the log details. Additionally, you will now find this input to filter by keys and values. And here in log details, you will find different sections containing information about your log line. First, you will find a section for the log line that you're looking at, links, if it has any, and then your list of fields. For data sources like Loki, instead of a single list of fields, you will find your fields grouped by type. So you will see your parse fields and your index labels and your structure metadata. Additionally, if your log lines contain a trace ID and which has a configure derived field and a tempo data source, we will show an embedded version of your trace. And all these options, or most of these options, you can not only use it in Logs Drill Down and in Explorer, but they are also available as panel options in your dashboards. So you can also toggle timestamps and resolution, line wrapping and JSON pretifying, enable and disable log details, choose the type of log details, enable and disable infinite scrolling, enable controls, control font size, and all the usual log panel options. We are super excited about all these new and redesigned components, and we look forward for you to use them and enjoy the best possible experience when browsing logs. So we really hope you like all these new features. Thank you for listening, and as always, feel free to reach out if you need it. We look forward for your feedback.